Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a bundle listings on Depop. Now, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed into your account. Head over to Google and then type in Depop in the search bar, and it will take you to this home page where you can either log in if you already have an account, or you can do well to sign in on Depop to explore all of the activities that are there. Ensure that you have your email address or your Gmail address, password, phone numbers, location, and all of the information that will need you to get yourself properly signed in. If you're not, make sure that you follow through all of the processes that it will require, and ensure that you accept all verification processes to take you to the home page. And this is what a home page on the Depop platform looks like. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a bundle listing on Depop. Let's head straight into the video. A bundle listing lets you sell multiple items together in one post. It is great for clearing inventory and increasing order value. Now, to make a bundle listing on Depop, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you pick matching outfits. Let's say, for instance, I want to make a bundle listing of all of these items. These are all Jordan shoes, so I'll pick matching outfits. So I'll pick this Jordan shoe collection. Right, I can go ahead to pick as many as possible. After doing that, ensure that you also pick the same category, size, or color depending on what you want to sell or how you want to make a bundle listing. So I'll pick, for instance, Jordan shoes in the same category, like the same sizes. All right, after picking that, I would head over to my Depop profile and then click on sell now. Now, before doing that, I'll make sure that I have taken clear pictures of my Jordan shoes, photograph all the items together, and then add extra photos showing each individual item. Now, use good lighting and a clean background to ensure that you do that maximally. And after taking my pictures, I'll head over here and then click on add photo. I'll do well to add the photos of the pictures I took. I'll add them individually, and then I'll add them collectively in different fonts. After doing that, I'll head over to description and include the description of the items I have listed above. All right, ensure that the description is clear to my buyers. After doing that, I'll use a clear searchable title for my items. Ensure I fill in all the information and the category for this particular item, the number of items I want to sell, the sizes of each item, the brand, the condition, if they are brand new, if they are thrifts, or they just want to push all of them out. Now, after doing that, ensure that you set your price, enhance your listing, set your price, your color. After doing all of that, ensure that you choose your shipping method, which is down here. So choose a shipping method, and after doing that, publish your listing. Add relevant hashtags such as bundle, Depop bundle. If it's thrift, you can add thrift bundle, and however you want to put that up. When you're done, do well to post your listing, and then go to settings and click on bundle to enable your bundle discount if you want to add that. So this is how you can make a bundle listing on Depop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to make a bundle listing on Depop, and you can try it out on your own now. Until next time, bye for now.